This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Tammy Busche. Fully detached home in 55-plus community of Atlantic Shores. Enjoy the privacy and serenity of your waterfront home. New carpet and paint throughout move-in ready. Open floor plan with vaulted ceilings and extra windows offering fabulous natural lighting. Located on private cul-de-sac. Backyard features large deck with wonderful views. Co-op fees includes amazing amenities, 24-hour security, on-site Medicare Center, cable, electric, water, gas, concierge service, restaurants, fitness center, indoor pool, jacuzzi, tennis courts, putting green, wellness center and more. For more information, review the details below.